Everyone, I bought this laptop from a walk. Now, when I switch it off and then on it again, so the Windows 8 is automatically uh, restore. So, but now I have one problem. My problem is the Wi-Fi signal is very weak. Even the Wi-Fi router is near around 2 meters away from me. So this is my problem now. I will try to solve this problem by opening the backside of the laptop. Maybe there is something wrong on the Wi-Fi module, so I will have to open it to check what is the problem. So I know I have to switch off the laptop to see what is the problem on the module. Maybe there is something problem on the module, the same module, but maybe it is inside. There is something missing connection or what, or a misconnection or lost connection, something. So I'll try to solve this problem. Okay, just I want to show you how to solve this problem. So now I have to open the back side of the laptop. I have to remove all the screws. So just remove the cover. Okay, and then remove the sticker showing. I already removed the warranty. If this sticker is broken, so the warranty is already void. So, but don't worry, I will have to solve this problem. So now I have to start on this side. Oh, it's not easy. Don't worry, I will open it. Oh, where is my plastic card? Okay, now I have this plastic card. It's not easy to open, but because some lock is tight, and then hold it very well. So now have to be careful to removing the keyboard, because under the keyboard there is some ribbon wire that connected to the main board. So okay, now it's already open. Be careful. So inside, yeah, this is the board inside. So now I have to remove the lock, the ribbon wire, and then pull it out. Okay, and then the keyboard. Now it's open. Yeah, see, that's what we have inside of this laptop. So now this is the module. Now this is the module of Wi-Fi. So I will try. Oh, there is an empty slot of the antenna. This must be have a double antenna to receive more signal from the Wi-Fi. So but for now I'm going to try to transfer that antenna cable to the other slot of antenna. Okay, just a second. Stop a second. Again. So I have to remove very carefully, because this antenna to transfer this other slot. Okay. We will see what was happened. I'll put it back again, keyboard. So but you have to be careful returning all the ribbon wire to the mouse pad, that's pad. sorry because my light is not so bright. So now it's already bit. The last is keyboard. Yeah. Okay. Now I have to testing it. Power on. You will see. You will see how the Wi-Fi will work. If it is good or not, we do not know. But if in case I have a spare Wi-Fi module, here's the Wi-Fi module, so I have to remove that Wi-Fi module from the original. So I think, oh, it's a pleasant surprise. Now the Wi-Fi signal it's now full. Oh, meaning to say there's no any problem about the module. The problem only is the antenna cable. So I only change to the other slot like what I make now. My laptop is good, so I thought I have to return it to a wok, but it is okay now. So I have to finalize to put it back again and fit it good. Please subscribe or comment or ask anything about this type of laptop. Subscribe or hit like. Okay, now I have to put it back. Oh, now, yeah, I have to put very carefully all the lock. So I think there's no any wrong or overlap at the cover, so I have to put it back the screws. So that's all for everyone there that want to know about need some assistance. So you can send me any question or message. I'm happy to assist or to help you. Now it's ready to put package, because this laptop is I'm going to give it to my son because he's wishing it's for his study. Because they told me that it's hard to go to the computer shop at night, so they want to have own laptop to keep himself safe, not to go out and outside. But thanks for everyone. I hope you like this video. So I hope we can help everyone there about this video, how to fix the Wi-Fi signal. And in this laptop HP Stream 11. So now everything is tight, screw is tight, so I have to put the rubber to cover up. Okay, now it's okay. All screws in intact. All screw is tight. Oh, there's one screw. It's not fit very well. Okay, now ready to switch on. Okay. Okay, take a look at the Wi-Fi signal. Now it's in full bar. So this is the final. Okay, thanks everyone. Hope you like this video, and subscribe and hit the bell button for any updates. Thanks everyone.